So these are my top 3 websites I would use if I were to start trading from scratch. And number 1 would be TradingView, which is a website I use to analyze and backtest my charts. And I personally pay for a premium subscription, so I get much more things like the playback feature, so I can play back the chart and analyze historic data. And another cool thing is that I can analyze 2 charts at the same time, which makes it much easier to identify SMTs. For example, I can see both charts at the same time at one screen and compare them and look if one has a lower low and a higher low. And yeah, if you want to upgrade your plan, then you can use the link in the description or in my bio. It is an affiliate link, so if you purchase a subscription, then I will get a small commission. And yeah, the next website is MyFXBook.com, which is a website which has professional risk management tools such as forex calculators to calculate your lot size, and an economic calendar, and tools such as sentiment indicators, heat maps, and many more. And it is similar to forexfactory.com, except that it has more tools and is visually a bit more appealing, at least in my opinion. And the reason this tool is so important, even to people that don't state they trade fundamentals, is because it shows you when to expect volatility in the markets. And that's essentially what you need as a trader. So we all trade fundamentals in a way because fundamentals are what really drives the market. And yeah, I'd love to read your opinion on that in the comments below. And last but not least, we have Notion, which is a website mostly known for boosting your productivity and time management, but it can also be used for boosting your trading performance. And over the last couple of months, I've been creating a trading journal, which allows me to eliminate errors by collecting data like win rate, holding time, session traded, risk-reward ratio, and many more. And I also created a site for collecting backtesting data and a section to organize my personal life. And as I think this can be beneficial for you as well, I will be publishing it soon, but before that, I need to do some more fine-tuning. So these were our favorite websites for trading. I would love to read your opinion or other websites you like to use in the comments down below. And as always, I would appreciate a like and a click on the subscribe button.